Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to quickly add a cookie consent banner to your WordPress website. The full guide. Whether you're looking to improve your site's data privacy compliance or just boost user trust, this tutorial will walk you through the process step by step. So let's dive right in and get your website fully compliant in just a few minutes. Log into WordPress first, open your browser, make sure it's updated for best performance, and head over to the WordPress homepage. In the top right corner, click on Login. To make things super quick and secure, use the Continue with Google option. This is the fastest way to access your WordPress account without needing to type in extra credentials. Select your Google account. Once you click Continue with Google, you'll see a list of Google accounts. If you're logged in with only one, WordPress will automatically select it. Otherwise, just manually choose the account linked to your website. This step ensures you're signing in to the correct WordPress site where you want to add the cookie consent banner. Access the site editor. After logging in, you'll land on your WordPress dashboard. From here, look for the quick links section and click Edit Site. Once you're inside the site editor, you'll see your website preview. Now, look for the plus icon in the top left corner. This is how you add new features or blocks to your site. Add the cookie consent feature, click the plus icon and type cookie consent in the search bar. You'll see several options pop up depending on your theme and plugins. Choose the one that best fits your site's layout and style, usually labeled cookie consent or cookie banner. Then simply drag and drop it onto your page or section where you want it to appear, typically at the bottom of the page. Save and activate once your cookie consent banner looks the way you want. Click the Save button in the top right corner. This activates the feature on your live website. Now, when visitors land on your site, they'll see a clear and compliant cookie consent notice, helping you meet global privacy standards like GDPR and CCPA while showing your users that their data matters. And that's it. You've successfully added a cookie consent banner to your WordPress site. Fast, simple, and fully updated. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more WordPress tips, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss future guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.